So, we start round 1. Evaluate the given limit. That's the preamble. The limit as x approaches 2 of the fraction with numerator x squared plus x minus 6 over x minus 2. Yes, Lionel.
5.
That is correct. St. Thomas Aquinas. Limit as x approaches negative 3 of the fraction numerator x squared minus x minus 12. The denominator is x plus 3. Yes, Niaje.
Negative 7.
That is correct. In a certain breed of plants, the gene for green plants, capital G, is dominant over the gene for brown plants, small g. A green-stemmed plant denoted by capital G, and a brown-stemmed plant denoted by small g, are allowed to undergo a cross with each other. Prempeh, state the color of the stem in their F1 progeny. Yes, Eunice.
The color will be green.
That is correct. St. Thomas Aquinas. Determine the percentage of brown-stemmed plants in the F2 progeny if the F1 plants are self-pollinated. Niaje.
25%.
That is correct. Preamble to all schools for the next set. 2 chords, AB and CD, of a circle intersect at E, given that, Prempeh, AE equals 10 centimeters, BE equals 25 centimeters, and CE equals 50 centimeters. Find DE.
5 centimeters.
That is correct. St. Thomas Aquinas. CE equals 12 centimeters. DE equals 18 centimeters. And AE equals 9 centimeters. Find BE. Yes, Niaje.
BE is equal to 14 centimeters.
That is incorrect. Prempeh College.
24 centimeters.
That is correct. Mention the plant growth substances that need to be used to have practical applications in the following. Prempeh College. Increase lateral shoot growth. Eunice.
Gibberellin.
Gibberellins, that is incorrect. St. Thomas Aquinas. The basis for the sprouting of potato tuber. Yes, Philip.
Gibberellins.
That is incorrect. This is the speed race. Evaluate 157 squared minus 143 squared. Ofori Penyin, go ahead.
We have
Prempeh College.
4,200.
That is correct. Find the number of ways of rearranging 5 persons around a circular table. St. Thomas Aquinas.
24 ways.
That is incorrect. Prempeh College.
12 ways.
That is incorrect. Which of the following is a non-myelinated nerve fiber? A. Optic nerves. B. Cranial nerve. C. Spinal nerve. D. Autonomic nerve. Prempeh College.
autonomic nerve.
That is correct. Calculate the new concentration of a 250 centimeters cubed solution of barium hydroxide of concentration 0.40 mole per decimeter cubed if 110 centimeters cubed of deionized water is added. St. Thomas Aquinas. Go ahead, Nyaji.
0.28 mole per dm cube.
That is correct. Determine the sum of the coefficients of all reactants and products in a balanced equation of the reaction O2 plus NH3 going into H2O plus N2. St. Thomas Aquinas. Go ahead.
15.
That is correct. A neutral organic compound has a total of 4 carbon atoms and contains 2 hydroxy groups and a CC double bond. How many atoms are present in the empirical formula of this compound? St. Thomas Aquinas.
12.
That is incorrect. Prempeh College.
6.
That is incorrect. Find the resonance angular frequency for an LC circuit with L equals 50 millihenry and C equals 20 microfarad. Prempeh College.
1000 radians per second.
That is correct. What is the moment of inertia of a 4.0 kilogram uniform sphere of radius 0.10 meter about an axis through its center? Prempeh College.
1.6 by 10 to the power negative 2 kilogram meter squared.
That is correct. Riddle. I am a statistical diagram. I am associated with a line of fit. Yes, Prempeh.
Scatter diagram.
That is correct. I am a physical phenomenon. I am commonly associated with waves. However, I have been demonstrated using various particles. I'm the phenomenon responsible for the transformation of the wavefront of a plane wave into, yes, Prempeh.
Interference.
That is incorrect. For the transformation of the wavefront of a plane wave into a curved wavefront, yes, St. Thomas Aquinas.
Diffraction.
That is correct. I am a term which was coined by Julian Huxley and Georges Tessier in 1936 when I was applied to the phenomenon of relative growth. My name was originally used to refer to the scaling relationship between the size of a body part and the size of the body as a whole, as both grow. Yes, St. Thomas.
Allometry.
That is correct. 4 points. I am a common carbohydrate found in most plants. Yes, Okorepenin.
Cellulose.
That is incorrect. I am usually formed through a dehydration reaction. I am a disaccharide. Yes, St. Thomas Aquinas.
Sucrose.
That is correct. At the end of the contest, these are the scores. Oforepenin Senior High School ended the contest with 25 points. St. Thomas Aquinas ended the contest with 40 points. And Prempeh College ended the contest with 46 points.